Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, September 29, 2021. It is 3:26 and 59 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, magnetic stimulation. So let's hop to it here. Magnetic stimulation of the brain can improve episodic memory. Study finds. Inhibitory brain stimulation allows better memorization by reducing the power of beta waves in the brain. Date September 28, 2021. Source, PLOS. The ability to form episodic memories declines with age, certain dementias, and brain injury. However, a new study shows that low-frequency, repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation delivered over the left prefrontal cortex of the brain can improve memory performance by reducing the power of low-frequency brain waves as memory forms. Based on current knowledge of the brain and the effects of rTMS, the researchers hypothesized that they could improve episodic memory and in the process generate targets for future memory-related therapies. The researchers first analyzed past data from 40 college students who had been asked to memorize lists of words. Half of the students received slow rTMS over the left dorsolateral prefrontal cortex while trying to memorize the words, and the other half received rTMS over a control region of the brain. In the new experiment, researchers collected data from 24 college students who each performed a similar memory task under both rTMS conditions. The analysis of both data sets revealed that memory performance was better for words that were memorized while the left prefrontal cortex was being stimulated. Examining the EEG data that was recorded during the experiments, the researchers found that the slow rTMS applied to the prefrontal region led to reduced power of low-frequency beta waves in the parietal region of the brain, which is known to be involved in attention and perception. Because slow rTMS inhibits brain activity and the prefrontal cortex inhibits the posterior regions of the brain, researchers theorized that the slow rTMS disinhibited the activity of the parietal region, leading to enhanced encoding of the words being memorized, and thus improved memory. Researchers say electrophysiological results suggest that frontal stimulation affects a wider network and improves memory formation by inhibiting parietal areas. These are complex but interesting effects that require further experiments to better understand their neural basis. Researchers were quite surprised when they saw these effects in the first study, which was designed to investigate a different question. Therefore, research scientists needed to replicate the effects in a second experiment to see whether this is real. And indeed, it seems to be. Good day, says Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.